Welcome. Today in front of me VIVO Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now you can see that we just successfully create the new folder on our device screen. If you want, you can add here more applications, just 3, 5, 10 more if you want. Just we can also rename here this folder. Just enter here the new name, for example the apps. Click here to OK, and now you can see that we just successfully renamed our device folder. Also here we can move this folder on the screen, just hold it and drag it somewhere. Or also we can create the new screens for this folder, and sure we can move this folder here between the screens by this way. Just to remove the applications from here, hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen. If you wanna remove this application from the folder but you want to stay with this app here on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and also from the home screen, hold it and after that click here to remove. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.